How to log in to my HR CVS employee. For that, all you have to do is open up your Chrome browser and then go on the search bar and search for www.myhrcvs.com. And after that, on the first search, you will have myhr.cvs.com. Click on this, and then it will take you to the website of CVS Health. And then if you're a former employee, then go on, type your user ID, your password, and then hit the login button. And here you will have an option that if you forgot your ID or your password, then you can click on here and you can get your password reset or your user ID reset. And if you are a new user, then you can click on new user. But if you are a current employee, then you can just click on this login button, and then it will ask you for your username, password, and after entering all of your credentials, click on login, and then you will be logged in to your account. So that's it, guys. That's how you log into my HR CVS employee. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.